Welcome to Math Mini Lessons, and in this lesson, we're going to look at fractions in real-world context using word problems. I'm going to use raise for this one and go through my thinking. Why am I using raise? Because it's a multiple choice problem. So let's start off with our first step. We're going to read problem. We're going to assign a question type. We're going to identify our key information. We're going to strategize. I'm going to show my strategy. And then we're going to eliminate at least one major distraction. I bet we could even do two in this problem. We'll start with the very first step. Let's read. Carol has 1 5/8 cups of yogurt to make smoothies. And each smoothie uses 1/3 cup of yogurt, and we want to know what's the maximum number of smoothies. Okay, so just by looking at this, and I'm already imagining what this looks like. So I have a cup. You can see my cup with my yogurt. This is my cup of yogurt. I have 1 5/8 cups of yogurt, and I'm constantly taking out 1/3 every time I want to make a smoothie. So just by looking at this, I absolutely know for sure that this is a number sense problem because I am repeatedly subtracting the 1/3 from my cup. I'm constantly taking out the same amount. So that's a number sense problem. What's my key information here? Well, I have two basic parts for my information. I know I have a total start of 1 5/8 cups of yogurt, and I know that I use 1/3 cup per smoothie. And my per, I just mean for every time I make one smoothie, I need 1/3 cup of that yogurt. So my strategy is, as I'm evenly subtracting, this is just like division. So I'm going to do 1 5/8 divided by 1/3. So let's get to this eliminating process. And the first one that really sticks out to me looking at my numbers is the number 1. Because I know that, again, if I have 1 5/8, I know I can take out more than one set of 1/3. I know I can, because just these two, this is 2/3, and I know I'm still going to have more left. Absolutely. I don't even have to do this math to know that I'm going to have leftover. So 1 is too small. I can definitely take out enough to make 2. The other thing I was thinking of, just this logic, I know I'm taking out 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 to make smoothies. Okay. So I know I take out 1/3, I can make a smoothie. I know by the time I take out 1 whole cup, or 3/3, I can make 3 smoothies. So for every cup, I can make 3 smoothies. If I have 2 cups, or 6/3, just so you know where I'm getting at numbers, I can make 6 smoothies. So 7 is also way too big, math marbles, because I don't have enough. I only have 1 5/8. That's less. This is less than 2 cups. And I don't have enough yogurt then to make 6/3 to make 6 smoothies. So I eliminated my 1, I eliminated 7, and that leaves these two, which are very close together, which is good to know. So let's show our work and our strategy. And I'm going to try and show it as neatly as I can. I have 1 5/8 divided by 1/3. Let's change this to easier numbers to work with. 13/8. So again, I just changed to an improper fraction. And dividing means to multiply by the reciprocal. So that's all I did. I did a flip to turn it around. And now I have 39/8. Almost done. It still doesn't tell me if I can make 4 or 5. So I'm just going to actually do that division. And again, you can use long division if you're nervous about that. It's still 39 divided by 8, reading from top to bottom. And I can do 4 full. So I have enough to do 4, but that's it. I don't have enough to make 5. I do have enough to make 4, so that is my final answer. close those two numbers are. This is very close to a full 5. But here's my whole process using raise. We've eliminated, we've strategized, and we found a final answer. So let's hit pause so you can jot this down.